actually had something crazy happen to me when I was at the mall.
Okay, how cute is this like little hairpin set?
OMG, how beautiful is this wallet? Really make the gift. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're vlogging. I thought it'd be super fun to just vlog today because I have to run a lot of errands and I'm actually gonna be with my mom today. So we're gonna be running all the little errands that we have to run and go out to lunch together. If you're new here to my channel, definitely consider hitting subscribe and hit that like button if you like the vlogs, because if you do like the vlogs, I'll continue to make them for you guys. I'll show you guys a little outfit of the day actually. Okay, so here's my outfit of the day. I have been loving this jacket. You may recognize it from my winter try on haul. I love this so much. Bow fur bomber jacket, and then I just did a beige turtleneck underneath, and it'll keep me like a lot warmer. And then I just have on my JCPenney jeans, and for shoes I don't have them on right now, they're at my front door, but I'm gonna be wearing like these like cashew colored booties. I shared them in a recent try on haul as well. By the way, how festive is my vanity? I love it so much. Oh, this is the lipstick I have on top of my pillow talk. It is Charlotte Tilbury. It's like a limited edition packaging, and it's in glowing gen. I'll show you guys what it looks like because it's so pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? And then today's bag, I'm gonna be taking out this beauty. I unboxed it in a recent try on haul. So that's gonna be my bag. I'll show you guys what it looks like on. So this is what it looks like on. I have to close it up. I adore this bag so much. So I'm gonna go pick up my mom. Made it to Target and I'm with my mom. Do you have your return?
Yeah.
How cute is my mom's outfit? We were almost probably gonna twin today because I almost picked out that sweater.
I have my
so adorable.
To
Oh yeah, she has K-R-E. I think it's so cute. Let's see what's in Target.
And no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day.
Okay, how cute is this like little hairpin set? And these are really cute like stocking stuffer. I like this one with the heart, of course.
That's a pretty one.
I like those earrings.
Yeah, those are pretty. Look at the.
Yeah, that's cute.
I need to go to H&M. Hopefully I'll find something in there. Here's your cookies. You can seal those up and then I'll throw my purse in the back. Right, so. What even is this song?
And just enjoy this moment of peace, love, and happiness. We come together to celebrate.
Where else do we have to go besides H&M?
I don't know.
Oh, are you gonna go to Ulta?
Oh yeah, I need to go to Ulta actually. I need to get new gel polish.
Did you go there first?
Yeah, let's go to Ulta. Just got back from Ulta. I got actually exactly what I needed. I'm glad they had it. So I have like no time to get a manicure this week. My schedule is like so busy. So I got some things to do my own manicure at home. So I already have like the red carpet gel system and I actually really like it. I got this like little tool to get the gel off. I got this top coat. I already have the top coat and base coat, but it's like a year old. So I was a little worried it would be like all, you know, old and whatnot. So I got the base coat. Wait, is that the top coat? Okay, yeah, it's good. Okay, top coat, I got the base coat. And then I got this like really pretty color. Okay, I got this color right here. I think it'll look really pretty and just like a nice, for me, it's like a neutral because it goes with a lot of what I have, like blush pinks and neutrals. So yeah, that's what everything I got in Ulta.
Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside.
So I am back at my apartment. I didn't really end up vlogging much more. I actually had something crazy happen to me when I was at the mall. So basically I was shopping. My mom and I went into the mall and we decided to just like split up for a little bit. And so I was shopping in Aerie, and then I went to American Eagle because they're like connected together. And so I went to American Eagle and I was shopping around, and I was at like the front. You know how like there's the middle of the store and then there's like a table to your left, a table to your right. So the table to your left, I was at that front like table, and all of a sudden like I just felt like this like person like rushed like next to me, and I was like, that was weird. But I look over and it's like this guy. I was just like, that's kind of weird. And he came like right next to me again, which was like, I don't know, that's just not normal. So I knew something right away was like really weird. So I decided, you know, I'm just gonna move over to the other side of the store. So I move over to the right table, like in the front. So it's the opposite side of the store. And all of a sudden, literally within 20 to 30 seconds, he was right next to me again. So then I moved to the middle of the store, and it was like actually not crowded in American Eagle at all today. A lot of the other stores were, but American Eagle really wasn't crowded. There was no one really up front to like, no like workers or anything. So I actually started to feel like really uneasy about the situation. I was like, something is really weird. Like something is definitely wrong. I didn't feel right about it. So I'm like in the middle of the store then, and he's still like standing around up front, not really shopping. And then I actually start to call my mom. I'm like calling her to see where she is so then I could meet up with her, and at least I wouldn't be by myself. So I start going out of the mall, and then, well, I'm in the mall, but I'm out of like American Eagle, and I start walking to Victoria's Secret. As soon as I get into Victoria's Secret, I saw that he was right behind me. So at that point I was like, I started literally freaking out. I'm like, this is crazy. Like this person is now, I've confirmed they're actually following me. And like multiple times. It wasn't just like once or twice, it was multiple times. At that point I was just like, let's just go. Like I just want to leave, but I need to stop in H&M. Maybe we could just stop in there and you know, see if he follows again. So we leave, and once he was standing up front in Victoria's Secret the whole time, probably waiting for me to like leave and then, you know, follow me again. But this time I was with my mom. I think when he saw my mom, I think he like let me alone, but still I was really shook by the situation. So then I go on H&M, and I'm like, you know what? I just don't see myself like feeling comfortable like for us to walk out to the car, because I don't know, you never know, like he could be whatever, even though he didn't follow us into H&M at that point. I said I need to get a gift in H&M for my cousin, which I did, and I'll have to show you guys. But I got her a gift there, and then I told the cashier, I'm like, do you have mall security's number? I think someone's following me. So she's like, oh my gosh, like I'm so sorry. Let me get you the number. And she gets me the number, and she seemed really concerned. Everyone around me was like really concerned, and they felt really bad. And I was just like really, really, you know, upset about it. So yeah, so I called security. They gladly came and escorted me and my mom out of the mall just to make sure we got to our car safely. But it just makes me think like first of all, you never know what's gonna happen in your day. Second of all, especially this time of year, like we're so caught up in the, you know, busyness of the season, and we're shopping and whatnot, which is obviously totally normal, but I thought I would talk about this story, potentially help somebody. So anybody out there, just be aware. Okay, sorry, my camera ran out of memory. But what I was trying to say is basically just, you know, if you're gonna be going to the mall or wherever by yourself, just be a little bit more aware of your surroundings. And if something doesn't feel right, like don't feel silly to say something to somebody, like tell the cashier, or like, you know, whatever, get mall security. And it's better to be safe than sorry. Because I can't imagine if I was by myself, like without my mom, like what would happen to me if I wasn't even thinking, like if I wasn't being aware of my situation and he just kept following me. Like if he followed me out to my car, like who knows what could have been. So I just feel really shaken up by it, but I'm gonna try not to let it, you know, get to me. I feel like I just don't really want to film anymore today. I just feel bothered by what happened today, and I just, you know, I think I'll just pick up when I'm in a more better vibe. It is the next day, and I'm in this like really cozy velour pullover. I've been loving this thing. I feel like my lipstick looks a lot brighter than it does on camera. Hold on, I have to like apply a different lipstick because it's like really bright. Okay, that looks a lot better. Okay, so I wanted to start out this video. First of all, I got some packages in the mail, and you guys, I'm really excited about this package right here. I'm gonna show you. So in case you missed my previous last minute gift guide video, I recently posted it on my channel, and I shared that I'm gonna be giving away as one of the prizes. One of you will win a Louis Vuitton wallet. It's valued at $500. I think it's like $495, but yeah, around $500 prize. And I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. I just wanted to make sure and open it to make sure it looks okay and everything. And I'm going to show you what it looks like. OMG, how beautiful is this wallet? It is so gorgeous. I love the rose ballerine, and it's very, very spacious inside. I don't want to really pull it open too much. I just want to keep it intact and everything for the winner. But yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. This is what it looks like on the back. So you'll receive, of course, the wallet along with the dust bag and the box. I even wrote a little note inside this little card holder here. This is my receipt actually of that. It's mine, but you guys, I'm so excited about this. I just am really excited for the winner. And speaking of giveaways, I have something super exciting in this video just for you guys watching this portion of the video, and it's going to be a giveaway. It's a surprise giveaway in this video. I'm going to be giving away, here, I'll just show you. Okay, you guys know how much I love my LMS products, so LMS was super kind to gift these prizes to 2 of you guys watching this, and I'm gonna show you guys what you could win. So the first thing, I asked them if we could include this cleansing balm because it is like one of my favorites, and they said of course, so I'm really excited. So each prize will come with the LMS Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. You guys, this stuff is amazing. I'm excited that 2 of you guys get to try it out. I'm also going to include the Superfood Facial Oil. They actually asked me what I wanted to give away, and I told them the products that I absolutely love so that you guys could try them out. And then the third product that comes in the set will be the LMS Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This is definitely valued at like over $250 each prize. So yeah, super exciting. I'm gonna make it super easy to enter. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and then leave a comment down below telling me your favorite Christmas cookie. The giveaway will be open until Sunday. I'm just gonna make it a short amount of time because I want the winner to be able to be announced before Christmas as like a little Christmas surprise. I'm not gonna list it in the description box for you guys. I just want it to be for whoever's watching this portion of the video, so I will have it listed here, all the details. And if you want a bonus entry, you could just follow me on Instagram and leave your Instagram handle in your comment along with like your favorite Christmas cookie. You could add your Instagram handle so that I could count you for a bonus entry. So now I'm gonna open up, I have another package to open up. I was debating whether I was gonna show this to you guys or not. I feel like it would just help a lot more people by sharing this, and I'll just show you guys. Okay. So I definitely wanted to do something to give back to people in need this season, and I actually kind of feel uncomfortable talking about this because it's just not something I believe that everybody should just say their, you know, what they do to help other people. I think it's like, I've always been instilled to me, especially by my parents, like not to share about like all the good deeds that you do, because I feel like not everyone needs to know that. But I did talk, I was like debating, like they'd help me with this kind of like question because I just didn't know what to do. I feel like sharing this would just like help even more people, anyone watching this that is inspired to just donate something really small. So basically I ordered, this is actually, I think I got 2 orders. This is the receipt. But I ordered 2 orders of a bunch of hats and scarves for just people in need. In my local church, they're doing like a little drive. I feel like a lot of places do these like drives, like where they collect donations for like hats, gloves, and scarves. So I placed a big order on Express, and I picked up some beanies and some scarves. Here, I'll show you guys. So I'm just gonna keep them obviously in the wrapper so that people know that they're new. This is the first half of the order. So I ordered some scarves, and they're super cute. Here, I'll show you guys. They have like a blush pink plaid in them and gray. They're just like really pretty. So I ordered a bunch of those. And then I also ordered a bunch. You guys may recognize these. This is the, I got like the same, I got another order of everything. And then I got another order of like the same stuff. So it's all like doubles of everything, but this is the first order, one of two, I guess. So I got some gray ones. I got some blush pink beanies. So they are gonna go to people in need. And I truly, this is just something, I just really, it warms my heart. I could almost like cry. Like it's just, there are so many people, especially this time of year. Okay, sorry, my phone was going off and then I just figured I would come closer. But just giving back to people in need just warms my heart. And I feel like I truly, like this time of year, just feel extra blessed to have a roof over my head and to have clothes and to have more than the necessities. And it just makes me think that there are people out there who don't have heat. They don't have shelter, and they don't have, you know, even a super cute hat or scarf. And I thought I could just brighten somebody's day. So my challenge to you this holiday season is, if you can, just donate even like one beanie, whether it's just a beanie. If you think about how many people, if everyone just donated one item, whether it was or $5 or whatever, $1, you know, if everyone donated $1, I feel like you could just make such a big difference to any cause that is near and dear to your heart. Yeah, I just thought I'd share. I'm kind of actually like really uncomfortable right now sharing this. But like I said, I think it could inspire a lot of people to do the same. It doesn't have to be, it could be on a larger, some people do on larger scale than what I do. And I do other things, but I don't feel the need to share everything that I do. But I just thought it was fun with the beanies and scarves, since I talk about fashion, to just share something like that. All right, I'm rambling. So let's move on to wrapping some presents.
So this is what my wrapping situation looks like. I'm not gonna like go gift by gift and say who they're for, because I know some people watch my videos, but I'll just give you guys a little peek into. I kind of like put the gifts together as to who I want to gift them to, like my mom, my cousins, my dad, my brothers, sister-in-law, my brother's girlfriend, and I have a bunch more. So yeah, I have a lot of gifts to wrap, and there I'm waiting for a few other things in the mail. And really quickly, I have to show you guys the wrap I picked out this year. So of course I had to include like a pink one. And this one is actually from TJ Maxx. They have really good wrap. And it was only $3.99 for this really nice like quality wrap. It has like the gold foiling on it and the pink and green presents. I thought it was so pretty. And then I did like a white with gold, and then this gold with sparkles. I don't like to do too much glitter wrap. I don't know about you guys, but it just like, first of all, it makes a mess. Second of all, the tape never sticks to the glitter, so it's like a little hard. But yeah, I am going to get wrapping all these goodies. Don't know if you guys can see, but it's snowing outside. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's like perfect. Wrapping presents, it's snowing. I'm wrapping this gift for my cousin. She loves Ariana Grande, so I found this at H&M in the kids section. It's so cute. It's a sweatshirt. This is on the back, and then it says sweetener, Ariana Grande sweetener on the back or on the front. And then I just found this little cute stationery set. So for these two gifts right here, I want to add a little gift topper, these little ornaments. Found these in the Target dollar spot when I went to Target the other day, and they were $3 for this 2-pack, and they match this wrap like perfectly. It's like the perfect complement. So there's like a light soft green, like a seafoam green, and like a pink. So I'm gonna add these on top with, where is it? This ribbon right here. I thought this would be really nice, just like a gold baker's, what is this, baker's twine or something? I forget what it's called. There's like an official name to this, but I can't remember. But I'm gonna wrap that on top and show you guys. Oh my gosh, I love how these turned out. I just love the ornaments, just really make the gift. They're so pretty. So I'm gonna do these, and then I might add, where are they? I might add these like little tiny star ornaments. You could get a big pack of these at Target. You could even do this like on smaller gifts, or you could even actually double it. But you could do these on smaller gifts just for something small. There's like a big pack of them at Target for like $1 or like $3 or something. So I'm actually gonna end the vlog because I have to meet a friend for like an early dinner. I have to get changed and whatnot. So yeah, pretty much I wrapped about, I'd say 80% or so of gifts. So I feel accomplished. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you do a gift wrapping theme below. Like, do you do a whole theme of different color wrapping papers, or do you just do like random wrapping paper according to the person? So let me know in the comment section. I love like reading that kind of stuff from you guys. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next video very soon. Love you guys. Bye.